Alright, I have a special video for you guys. We are here with our friend R2D2 and come on R2. Oh boy, lost connection even. This is what R2 likes to do. It likes to lose its connection, and it's because I don't have a LiPo battery. I have this thing here, and this thing here will occasionally wig out like it just did. So you ask it to connect and we will try once more. Here it is. R2D2. Yeah. Alright, R2D2. It's struggling because of the battery and all that, but yeah, it's alive. Now if I had a buzzer on it, that would be even cooler, but it is what it is right now. Alright, so hope you like this video, and this is a project that I put together using the Adabox 2, and hopefully this inspires you guys to make something even better. Alright, so see you in the next video.